What's up, gang? Heading out to a private park right now to test out if big hands can pinch with the TBS Tango too. Uh-oh. Well, we just ignore that. Alright, the first thing that concerned me about this thing was that it's so tiny and I'm a pincher and I have really big hands. That was my first concern, but after getting my hands on it, without a doubt, this is going to be so easy for pinchers and thumbers. I would imagine these buttons would be good for arm and disarm if you were a thumber. However, I chose this 3-position rocker as my arm switch and the 3-position rocker over here as my turtle mode, just because that's where they rest naturally while I'm pinching. So let's give this a shot and see what we got. So I noticed that the springs are a little bit tighter than my Tyrannus. I kind of like it though. I'd prefer it to be a little bit tighter than looser. So that's going to take a little bit of getting used to. So a couple. Able to punch out without hitting any switches or putting any yaw into it. Sometimes when I do punch outs, the yaw would come into effect slightly, but no, that feels good. It seems like it feels really good. Juicy flick. The bug just hit my head. Hold on. Alright. Feels really good. Nice and smooth. I feel like I'm struggling to keep it straight. I'm being a little conservative here too, because this is a maiden of a brand new quad also. Alright, that's about it for this pack. Bringing it in. Easy to disarm. My finger's naturally on it. I didn't feel like I was gonna accidentally disarm at all while I was in the air, so that's good. Alright.